What is up, guys? Today is a very special episode because, well, I'm actually not even sure if you guys are going to see this because I haven't caught anything and I've been fishing for an hour or so now. But welcome to Florida, guys. Today we are in Sanibel. Sanibel. I'm not really in Sanibel. I'm sort of on the connector, right by the connector where it connects to Sanibel. Sanibel is out that way, but we're fishing for snook, redfish, anything we can catch. Hopefully, good game fish. But I've been fishing for a while now and just nothing. So I'm gonna switch to artificial bait. I've already used lures, but I'm gonna go to fish bites now and see if we can catch anything. I'm sorry, there's waves. I mean, I'm not at the beach, I'm in a bay, but there's so many boats around that it's really crowded. I don't know if you guys saw B-roll. I don't know if I'm putting it in, we'll see. But I really want to catch fish, so let's go. Yo! Did you get that all on camera? I can throw it out. What? Oh, a new species! It's an Atlantic stingray! Yo! That's awesome! Okay. Wow, I just sight fished a stingray. What the hell? Look at it! It's a tiny little guy too. Look at my foot. Alright, let's get this thing on the hook.
I don't see it.
Release it. Yeah, it's stingrays at the very edge of the tail. It's a small one. But that's a new species. That's Atlantic stingray. Flipping a stingray right now. Oh yeah, dude, he's waving it. He's waving it. Oh, he's coming at me. You want to come at me, bro? Right. Got him. Little mangrove snapper. Look at that. Yeah, beautiful mangrove snapper. Just a little guy. Got one. Another mangrove, probably. This thing isn't fighting at all, though. Oh my god, it is a mangrove. It wasn't fighting at all because it was running. But another mangrove snapper. He choked the jig head. Oh, don't bite me. And he bit me. Stop biting me, please. I stole my jig head. Oh my god, it actually broke my jig head. Well, whatever. So there's a little mangrove snapper. Pop him back. Got one. Another mangrove. He's running towards me. These guys are fun fighters. This one's a nice one. There you go, guys. There's another mangrove snapper. Got him. This is a nicer fish. Oh my god, it's a giant ass pufferfish. Wow. There he goes. Got him. Another mangrove. Mangrove snapper. There's a bunch of them under there. Don't you dare bite me, boy. Don't you dare bite me. Another mangrove snapper. that one. Another grove. It's a nicer one. It's not a grove. It's another puffer. Get the shore before you break me off. Get the shore. Get the shore. Get the shore. Look at this. Freaking pufferfish. Look at him. Puff Daddy. Whoa. Look at this fish. Freaking crazy. It's like a balloon. Alright guys, watch this. Guys, watch this. Oh, that was a puffer. Got him. That's a good fit. It's another puffer. I swear to God. It's coming toward me. It's a mangrove. It's a mangrove. Oh, let me see if you guys can actually see the fish, because it's dark. It's scary and spooky. Yeah, I know you guys can't see well, I apologize. There's a freaking another mangrove snapper. Got him. You guys probably can't see anything at this point, but I can. We got another mangrove snapper. It's like a billion on this pier. So let's get him unhooked. See if I can show him to you. You guys can even see. Oh my God, you can't even see. This will be like the last fish or two. Yeah, you guys can't even see the mangrove. Okay. Got him! I think it's a pufferfish. Oh, no, it's just a nice mangrove. Wow, that's actually a really good mangrove. Dude, that's a keeper mangrove. Jared, it's doing nothing. I'm gonna go get my phone light. Hang in there, guys. 1 second, I got a keeper-sized mangrove. Obviously, I can't keep it since we have to go, but let's just put a flashlight on her. Where my phone went? Oh, there she is. All right, Jared, one more fish after this. Turn on flashlight. Okay, there we go. Now you guys can probably see it. Little nice size, like that's like a keeper sized mangrove snapper. Pretty sick, huh? Alright, let's just toss them back. And that is the last fish